Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact failure, blank results, errors, or extreme slowness. Once confirmed, clear your browser cache and cookies and disable all extensions. This eliminates common client-side causes. Next, sign out of Google and open an incognito window or a different browser profile to isolate account or profile issues. If you see results in incognito, make sure to proceed to the next step to remove the extension or profile corruption causing the problem. If client-side checks pass, focus on the network and DNS. Restart your router and modem, then try Google search on a different device or network to rule out ISP filtering. Next, flush your DNS cache. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac OS, use sudo killall hupm DNS responder, then reboot. If DNS issues persist, switch to a reliable resolver like 8 or 1 temporarily. This fixes misrouted lookups and often restores search results quickly. Finally, inspect your Google account for security holds or unusual activity that might limit services. Check account settings and recovery options. Make sure your browser and operating system are up to date, and run a malware scan with a reputable tool because hijackers can break search. Once done, reproduce the error and gather timestamps, screenshots, and console/network logs. If the problem remains, contact Google support with those details. This is the only way to escalate and get a definitive resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.